Welcome back to Travis Perkins. Other construction sites are available. Only joking. Building works have been completed at Ibrox Stadium. They are back home. And they are at home to Hibernian. But the other big news, not just the completed construction work, there's been an injury in the warm-up. One of the green stems has been damaged in the warm-up. So, well, we've had to substitute one of the stem colours. It's 101 Shootout Special. 2 visits each. 3 goals to check out, 2 goals to leave a dart, 2 goals for a dart a double, 1 to leave a double. Rangers treble 20 route. What a dart. 41, single 9. Double 16. Oh wow. Hey, that's an awful dart, that, for what would have been 3 goals, but hey, and all jibes aside, anyone that knows me, but there's no bias darts here, because look at that dart. Okay, I was aiming for treble 1, only joking. Right, it's 2-0 Rangers. Wow. So here come Hibernian's attempt at treble 20. 5 leaves 96. Gee whiz, wow. 12 leaves 84, still upstairs. My God. Well, if that's left a double, I'll be embarrassed. I've no idea. 4 12s, 48. And that's 53. So that leaves 48. So it doesn't leave a double. Those darts were awful. Still, well, did I say 1-0 a minute ago? If I did, I meant to say 2-0. It's 2-0 Rangers. Obviously, it's a darted double. So it's a treble 19 route now, and it's Hibernian. Well, Hibs have lost their composure here. He steps forward to see what he's done, and that first dart, yeah, it was off the board. Hibs have lost all discipline. The second dart's gone in the 7. It leaves 94, treble 18. Wow, we've left 90 after 3 darts. Well, Hibernian, they've just got to really, well, get a grip here, to be honest. Treble 19 route for Rangers. 3 leaves 98. That's 5 leaves 93. Treble 19. And nothing doing there. And a half-time score of Rangers 2, Hibernian 0. Well, it's Hibs to start the second half, and hopefully they've just calmed down a bit and didn't have a couple of those darts were pretty wayward. It's a treble 17 route. 3 leaves 98. 5 leaves 93. Treble 19. Oh, that's the first dart they've thrown that's even remotely close, but nothing there. So now 2 visits for Rangers. They could put this to bed before Hibs come back to the board. Treble 17. 2 leaves 99. Treble 19. Look at that dart. Look at that dart, leaves 42. And 10 will leave 32. 69 is 32. It's a 3rd goal for Rangers. It's 3-0. Well, if Rangers get anything here, they've won it. Hibs still have 3 darts to come. It's the centre of the board route for Rangers. That is awful. Leaves 85. Treble 15. That leaves 70. 20 or treble. Well, that 20 would have sealed the match. Hibs, it's the last 3 darts. If Hibs check this out for a 3-3 draw, centre of the board route. 14, single 14, it's not going to happen, is it? That leaves 87, treble 17. What on earth? You've lost the plot. 83, still treble 17. Oh my God, I'm awful. And a full-time score of Rangers 3, Hibernian 0. See you in the next video.